too many people want to speak English, yeah, but there is one thing they always ignore. And what is that? Stay tuned with me for a minute. I will tell you within a minute. Yes, and that is they always reply in one word, and which is very bad. Yeah, if you always respond in short way, how can you expect you will speak English naturally, which is very bad. Yes, for instance, when somebody asks us, how are you? Too many people reply good, fine, or there's one phrase I remember quite well, and that is had your lunch, had your lunch. Actually, they want to ask you, have you had your lunch? But instead of asking, have you had your lunch, they make it shorter. Yes, they summarize this sentence. No, we should not summarize any sentence. Yes, we should speak always in full sentences. Yeah, because we are not a native speaker, we are not an advanced speaker. Yeah, I'm not giving you advice that you should not use what I can say short words. You should not use, you should not reply in very short way. You can give answer in very short way when you feel now I can speak very fluently. Yes, and now yes, I can understand, talk to people readily. Yes, at this time you can give reply. But if you are in beginner stage, you you whenever you speak any sentence, yes, you struggle very much and you give answer in very short way. No, this is not the right way to learn any language. Yes, and there are some question text. I will also give you example of this question text. Yes, we can give answer in question text. We can give answer in with the help of helping verb. Yes, like are you going there? Yes, we can answer of this question in two different ways. First, yes, I am, and the second answer can be yes, I am going. Yes. So through this video, what I am letting you know is always attempt to speak full sentences. Don't make short. Yes. And this way you will speak English quickly. Yes, and you will not take very much time. So this was the mistake yes, I told you through this video. And remember my thing, remember one thing, my friend. Yes, enjoy your journey. Yes, while speaking English, fun it. Yes, this is the yes, crucial.